Hey guys, welcome to our channel Smart Stick, where education meets creativity. And we make learning fun, inspiring, and a little bit crazy. If you're ready to grow, laugh, and level up your life, let's jump right in. 1. Wake up before your phone does. Don't start your day with memes. Start it with you. Stretch, breathe, and tell yourself, I'm unstoppable, even if your blanket says otherwise. 2. Learn one new thing every day. It can be a new English word, a science fact, or how to boil water without burning the kitchen. Small learning equals big brain power. 3. Fail like a pro. Failure isn't bad. It's just loud learning. Every time you fail, you're one step closer to doing it right. Keep trying. 4. Move that body. Dance, stretch, walk. Even if you move like a broken robot, motion creates emotion. You'll feel stronger and happier. 5. Talk nicely to yourself. You're not lazy, you're learning balance. You're not slow, you're growing. Speak kindly, your mind listens. Hey guys, quick break. We've just reached the halfway point of today's Smart Stick video. If you're enjoying these tips and learning something new, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our next creative, fun lesson. All right, ready? Let's jump back in and keep growing together. 6. Don't say, I'll change my life today. Say, I'll do 1 push-up. Then tomorrow, 2. That's how legends are built. 7. Stay around positive people. Hang out with those who cheer for you when you win, not the ones who disappear when you shine. Energy is contagious. Choose wisely. 8. Be curious, not jealous. Instead of saying they're lucky, say they're inspiring. Curiosity grows you. Jealousy stops you. 9. Rest without guilt. Even superheroes nap. Rest isn't quitting, it's recharging your power. 10. Keep going. Always. You won't always feel strong. You'll fall sometimes. But remember, every step counts, even the tiny ones. Because real growth is slow, but so worth it. Thanks for watching, amazing people. This is Smart Stick, where education meets creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep improving every single day. See you in the next one. Stay smart, stay awesome.